Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I am holding brief for the Majority Leader today, and pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 44, 2A, I rise to give the following statement on behalf of the House Business Committee, which met on Tuesday, 1st August 2023, to prioritize business for consideration during the week. Honorable Speaker, as members are aware, this week, the House concluded various business, including the second reading of Penal Code Amendment Bill of 2022 and debate on the report on the United Nations Convention Against Corruption and Global Parliamentarians Against Corruption meeting, and the report of the Committee on Regional Integration on a visit to semi-autonomous institutions of the East African Community. The House also commenced debate on members' motions and other committees' business. Honorable Speaker, members will note that following a request by the Departmental Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs on Wednesday, 2nd August 2023, the consideration of the Conflict of Interest Bill 2023 has been extended by 30 days to allow for the in-depth consultations and stakeholders' engagements. The House will also recall that the communication issued yesterday regarding the prioritization of legislation or legislative proposals and bills before the committee, I wish to reiterate on behalf of the House Business Committee that committees are expected to fully adhere to the timelines provided for in the standing orders, and as communicated, should it be noted that our committee has inordinately delayed undertaking pre-publication scrutiny of legislative proposals before it, the consideration of the committal of those legislative proposals or bills will be done without recourse to the specific committees. I therefore urge committees to expedite and finalize their reports on bills, treaties, and inquiries for consideration by the House. Honorable Speaker, with regards to the business for Tuesday next week, the House is expected to continue the second reading of the Food and Feed Safety Coordination Bill 2023 and the Statute Law Miscellaneous Amendment Bill 2022, should they not be concluded today. Additionally, debate will also be undertaken on the following motions, should they not be concluded today. Number one, inquiry into the maize flour subsidy program for the financial year 2022-2023, consideration of reports of the Auditor General on the financial statement for various funds, consideration of the report of the Auditor General on the financial statements of the state corporations, and that is regulatory and governance agencies. 4, consideration of the excise duty regulations 2023 amendment. 5, consideration of the excise duty, the Excisable Goods Management System Amendment Regulations 2023, and finally 6, the report of the Kenyan delegation to the 146th Assembly of the Interparliamentary Union and related meetings. Honorable Speaker, in accordance with the provisions of Standing Order number 42A5 and 6, I wish to notify the House that the following Cabinet Secretaries are scheduled to appear to respond to questions on the afternoon of Wednesday, the 9th August 2023. The Cabinet Secretary for Defense will be responding to the following questions. Number one, the question number 229 of 2023 by the member for Mwingi North constituency, Honorable Paul Nzengu, MP, regarding the deployment of Kenya Defense Forces troops in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Question number 230 of 2023 by the member for Kasheliba, Honorable Titus Lote, MP, regarding alleged malpractices during the KDF recruitment exercise. 3, question number 311 of 2023 by the nominated member, Honorable Ali Abdisirat, regarding the death of Miss Naima Abbas, a minor, and Miss Elmia Abbas in the Div area of Wajir County. Question number 4, it's question number 312 of 2023 by the member for Moyale constituency, Honorable Professor Guyo Jaldesa, regarding the settlement of the Kenya Defence Forces in Odha Camp, Moyale constituency. Question number 5 will be the question number 313 of 2023 by the member for Muiben constituency, the Honorable Phyllis Barto, regarding the compensation of Corporal Jackson Kimeli Cheriot on ex-service member, an ex-service member. And final question, the Cabinet Secretary for Defense will be answering is question number 314 of 2023 by the member for Suna East, Suna West constituency, the Honorable Peter Masara, regarding the discharge and compensation of Mr. Churchill Odhiambo Osano of service number 7771. The other Cabinet Secretary that will be answering question is the Cabinet Secretary for Investment, Trade and Industry to respond to the following questions. Question number 110 of 2023 by the member for Sirisia constituency, Honorable John Waluke, MP, regarding the impact of excise duty imposed on manufacturers in the beverage industry. Question number 140 of 2023 by the member for Konoin constituency, Honorable Brighton Yegon, regarding the importation of fully finished foreign product edible oils into the country. There's also question number 141, Honorable Speaker, of 2023 by the member for Mathare constituency, Honorable Anthony Oluoch, regarding the reinstatement of Mr. Ezekiel Owuor Otieno as the substantive CEO of the Export Processing Zone, that is the EPZ. There's also, Honorable Speaker, there's also a question number 142 by the member for Kabete constituency, the Honorable Gedua Wamashukuru, regarding the sale of the Gashiko liquor popularly sold in Kiambu County. And there is also the question by Honorable Peter Masala, that is question number 330 of 2023, that regards the foreign assignments undertaken by the Cabinet Secretary and the expenditure of the delegation. The final question that will be answered by the Cabinet Secretary for Investment and Trade and Industry will be question number 331 by a KSS Member of Parliament, CPA, the Honorable CPA Julius Ruto, regarding the key players of the second-hand clothing, commonly known as Mitumba, and the mixed assorted goods business across the country. Honorable Speaker, the House Business Committee will reconvene again on Tuesday, the 8th of August 2023 to schedule the business for the rest of the week. And I wish to lay this statement on the table of the House this afternoon. I thank you, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Osoro.